Hey,
Hey, how's it going?
good. How are you?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I have my laptop muted.
Oh, okay.
Now it works. All right. Just us again?
Yeah.
Okay. You know, when do we have to have that group project thing? Like, when does that start?
Here, let me look. Group project. Oops. Let's see. We need to have the design by next week, I think.
Oh, fun. Okay.
Yeah. It says week 8 on Saturday.
Awesome.
Yep.
Cool. Well, that'll be fun.
Yeah.
Did you understand today's stuff pretty good?
I think so. So like last week's, I didn't think I understood it, and then I like submitted the little quiz thing, and I got 100 on it. So I guess I did,
Okay.
but I wasn't like confident in myself.
Most of it seemed pretty straightforward. Like,
Yeah. So let's see, we're in week 12. Yeah, I think it didn't seem too bad. It was kind of the same stuff as last week, it felt like.
yeah, just you have to subtract one from the other first.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah. Yep.
Well, shall we get started then?
Yeah, let's go for it.
Okay. So question three, well, I guess it starts off with this stuff. Suppose we have a set of paired data and let D equal X after minus X before. The null hypothesis is that the population mean is zero. The alternative hypothesis is that it is not zero. And the population standard deviation is not known. Jordan collects a sample of size 9 and computes D equals 2.2 and SD. What's SD?
I think that's the standard deviation.
Oh, okay. It's 3.3. Yeah.
Yeah.
What is the value of the test statistic?
Um,
Oh, wait. So that's the mean of D and the standard deviation of D, right?
yes.
Okay.
Okay. So is it 2?
Can't remember. How do you get that?
I
I
think
can't even remember what it is.
the formula I think is, let me see if it's on here.
Oh, yeah. It was like T equals something.
Yeah, so it's like the mean. So it would be 2.2 over, and then it's going to be 3.3 divided by the square root of 9.
Wasn't there something else like 1.96 or something that you multiplied it
Uh,
by?
oh,
Or
I
is that
don't,
not?
no, I don't think we do that for this.
Okay. So it's not T equals 1.96 times the
No.
mean.
Let me look real quick. Let me go to the, I don't have the section opened. Um,
Is T just the Z score? Like the not really a Z-score, but it's the one we work with.
yeah, I think so.
So that's what we're solving for here? We're trying.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, then no, it wouldn't be that one.
Yeah. Oh, it might be in last week's.
So it's
Yeah, it's like t equals uh, x bar minus mu over s divided by square root of n.
okay. Yeah, so two.
Yeah, so 2. Let me get back to the quiz.
Right.
Okay, yeah, 2. So the next one, we have to find the p-value.
Yeah. Hmm? Okay, so this is going to be one of the two-tailed ones, right?
Yes.
So
So, okay, let me pull up my...
is it just the probability times 2?
I think so. Or is it divided by 2?
Well, because this is saying that the probability of it being greater than 2 is that, but we want the probability of it being greater than 2 and less than -2, so it's going to be times 2.
Okay.
If we were just looking for 1 and it gave us both of those, then we would divide it by 2, but since it only gives us 1 and we're looking for both, I think
Okay,
that's when.
yeah. Rounded to 3. So that'd be 0.091.
Wait, is it 0?
Oh.
Hold on, sorry, I did it wrong. 0403.
Oh.
I put 0.0806.
Okay, hold on. Okay, yeah, I put in the wrong number, sorry.
Okay,
Yeah,
cool.
0.086. Okay. Use the data file. Okay.
Wait, which data file?
Chapter 12 data A. I think we also need chapter 12 data B.
Okay. Any idea where to find that?
Yeah. If you go
We'll
to
do a
like,
preparation.
yeah, if you go to like the chapter reading for like lesson 12, on the left side where it's like BYU Idaho main page, all the like little tabs, there's one for data files.
Oh, okay.
And then you can just scroll down and you'll find it.
Right. Oh man. I thought the school computers were supposed to have SPSS on them.
Does it not? I think it's just the ones in the library.
Oh, lame. Okay, let me open it up.
Yeah. I'm just using Excel.
Oh.
I haven't really figured out SPSS.
You haven't gotten that yet?
Well, I have it. I just like never really use it because I learned how to use the Excel way to
Okay.
do it. But like I have it for like when I need it. If it's like
Right.
only SPSS.
Okay.
But like the lesson shows you how to do it on Excel too. So I've always done Excel.
That makes sense. Let me try it with Excel then.
Okay, for 5, I got 31.025.
Okay. Yeah. And then what is the standard deviation?
And
This Excel thing is weird.
yeah, it's kind of like it took me a while to get used to, and I think that's why I wasn't sure if I was doing it right.
Right. Mm. Technology is never on my side. I lost it.
Are you using the quantitative inference procedures spreadsheet?
No, it all shut down.
Oh,
Try it again. What'd you get though?
for 5, I put 31.025.
Oh, you haven't gotten.
Oh, for the standard deviation, 341.157.
All right.
I can like show you the spreadsheet. I think I can like share the screen.
I'm so sick of this. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
No, you're
This
fine.
happens every. It's like once SPSS gets up and running, it works fine, but just getting it up and running,
Takes forever.
yeah. And it freezes my laptop so that nothing else works.
Oh.
Is there any? Do we need that? Do we need it for the rest of them? Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, I think it's going.
That's good.
It's showing like the license agreement thing.
Oh.
Every time it boots up, it shows it. So. Oh man. It just disappeared.
Mm.
And it's back. Mm. Okay, Excel just opened up.
Okay.
Now I'm going to try and open that file. Wait, how do you save it as an Excel file? Like,
What do you mean?
so you go to the data files and then it downloads it as an SPSS file. Is there a way to save it as an Excel one?
Yeah, so like there's, if you like open it, there's the first set of them are Excel files, and then if you scroll all the way to the bottom, those are the SPSS files.
Oh, weird. So data files, if you just click on that link, it takes you to
And it says
a
data
page.
at the top.
Yeah.
And then if you scroll down just a little bit, the first like download individual data files are for Excel.
I think it's because I have my course code is 221B, and so it's just giving me the SPSS ones. Let me change that real quick.
Oh yeah, I just put in none.
None?
Yeah.
Okay. No, I'm seeing them. Okay. Let's try this one more time. It's working. It's working. It better work. Yes. Okay. Got it.
Got it?
I've got it.
Sweet.
All right. So now you just need to find the standard deviation of those.
Mm-hmm.
Cool. What the heck? Sorry.
You're fine.
Just frozen then closed on me. Well, and now it's back somehow. Okay, so just so I make sure that I'm doing this right. So I took group 2, subtracted it from group 1. That gave me all these numbers. Then to get the mean of that, how do you get the mean from here? Is it like average or is it
It's
like,
yeah, it's average.
okay, well that's tricky.
Yeah.
And that was negative 31.025?
I have positive.
Okay.
I just put it into like the spreadsheet that it gave us.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so I took the spreadsheet and then I clicked on a cell and I said equals, typed in the average thing, and then highlighted all of column C, which is
Let me
like
try.
B column, right? And then it gave me negative 31.025.
Because I'm using the one where you like, yeah, I've still got a positive number.
Why is it positive?
Mm-hmm.
No, why is it positive though?
Oh, I don't know. So like the spreadsheet that I'm using, there's like a different one, and you put in the numbers from like the data spreadsheet, and it gives you the mean, the standard deviation, the t-test value, the p-value, like. I don't know. But I also just did it with like equals, average, and then I clicked the first number, which is negative 32.1, and then colon, and the last number is 451.
451? Oh yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Did you highlight all of them?
Yeah, so when you do the colon, it automatically does that.
Right. And that gave you a positive number as well?
Mm-hmm.
Weird.
Yeah.
I'll just trust you on that one because I don't know what's going on. It's giving me positive. Okay, all right, negative. Okay, so standard deviation then would be equals. What's the one for that?
It's STDEV.
And it's not like the dot P or
No,
S
it's just
or
STDEV. Here, I can share the screen so you can see it.
did you get 341.1571?
Yeah.
Whoa, my screen looks nothing like that. Did you like go through and make all that, or is that just like a table thing that you can do real quick?
Yeah,
somehow?
it was in the reading.
Oh,
It was, yeah, like this thing here. And then you just put in the different variables, and then it gives you the differences.
huh.
And then this is the mean, standard deviation, t-test, p-value, and then like the confidence intervals.
All right, so
You just have to put in these things that like it gives you in the question.
I can't see what's going on for some reason. Oh, there we go.
Yeah, like you have to put in the
How'd you open up
confidence
that
level.
screen?
Hmm?
How'd you open up that screen? Like, how'd you get the?
Here, hold on. So on like the Google Hangouts page, on the left side, like a column shows up, like pops over.
Oh no, I mean like on Excel. How'd you get the thing?
Oh, okay. So you go to lesson 12, You scroll down to where it says Excel instructions. It's like a blue box.
Okay.
And then after like the second table where it's showing you how to do the differences, there's a link for quantitative inferential procedures Excel file.
Cool. Yeah, mine still just has the SPSS instructions on it.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's because I set my course type and course code to none.
Okay. All right. So the test statistic is
I have 0.407. But I can do it by hand just to make sure. Okay, yeah, I still got 0.407.